Hi, in this video we will learn about SQL, union and union all functions. These both functions are used to join two different tables, but there is a difference between both the tables. So let us understand how to use both the tables. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. So here we can see there are two different select statements available. Select column X, column Y, column Z from table 1, then union or union all. Then we used select again column 1, column 2, and whatever column from table 2. There are few conditions. The conditions are every select statement within union must have the same number of columns. Means yeah, here if we are using two columns, we can't use here one or three, four or more columns. It should be three columns. In both the table set, the number of columns will remain the same. The column must also have similar data types. Yes, if I'm using numeric value in the first table, in the second table it should not be a character. The third condition, the column in every select statement must also be in the same order. Means if I used customer name, customer's father name, customer address, we can't use in the another table as customer father name, customer name, and address. We should put every table's column in the same order. Now, before going to do some practical tasks, we should understand the union operator selects only distinct values by default. Means if they are duplicate values, it will pick only the distinct values. Now, in the union all function, it can pick all duplicate value as well. So let's come and start it in SQL. If we use the earlier table that we see in the join, here there are two more important points that needs to be noticed. We are not using any alias like we used earlier. Here, here, neither we used here, no, there, no, there. And also we are not using on where we use the common factor. Because if you remember that we talked about the column should be the same, means three columns if we are using in the first, then we should use three, and the order should be the same. That's why there is no character has been used, means the common identifier or unique values. So let us run this. It will give me a error because my first table has three values, second table has two values. So to make it understandable, very clear, we will use just one column, supplier ID, which were available in both the table. That is the common. It fulfills our condition that The column name should be in the order and should be matching, should be of same data type. Now let's run. What we see they are just the unique values. Basically, here we have 1000, 1001, which is common in the supplier table also. But the final value that we get is just one value, that is 1000, 1000, sorry, 10,000, 10,001, 10,004, 234. This is the feature of union, that it gives us unique value. We will use union or as well here, and we will see there is duplicate value as well. So this part was from the table 1, that is orders, and this was from the second part, that is suppliers. So by using union all, we got we got all the value from both the table, no deletion of the duplicate values. So it is as per our requirement in our business, that what kind of table we can use, like union or union all. So sometimes we need just the unique values, sometimes we need all values. That is up to us. Thank you for watching this video. These were all the part of the joins and unions. We'll meet again with new topics. Thank you for watching.